Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how to fix the character AI app if it's not working. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, you need to click on your Play Store and open it. Now all you need to do is click on the profile icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now we need to select manage apps and devices and click on updates. So here you have to check whether the character AI app needs to get an update or not. If it needs update, then you have to click on update and the app will start working again. However, if it does not need one, then it might have any other problems and you might need to use another method to make it start working again. So the next method you can opt is by clicking on the settings option and scrolling down below to apps. Once you click apps and select manage apps option, you can get all these apps which are installed in your device. So after selecting character AI's app, you need to click on clear data and clear cache option. Once you clear your cache, your character AI will start working again smoothly. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.